Can I get a bond on my VOP? Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. We are talking about two of the most common things that we have to deal with and what happens when their worlds collide. So when people call us right after an arrest, one of the first things they typically want to talk about is bond. Hey, can my loved one bond out? How quick can they get a bond? One of the other things that we deal with so frequently is, hey, my loved one is on probation. He got arrested. They gave him no bond. So we've got bond and VOPs. Those worlds are colliding. And the truth is that is one of the most difficult scenarios to secure a bond for someone is when they are on probation and they get violated. Why? Courts view probation as an alternative to prison. So if you're on probation, you could be in prison. The courts are doing you a favor essentially by letting you serve it on probation. So if you violate, they're going to have a very short fuse for dealing with that. So it can be extremely difficult to get a bond in those scenarios, especially because VOPs work their way through the system at a much faster rate than do normal cases. So a lot of times you may just end up having your VOP hearing as opposed to having a bond hearing. It is possible. We certainly have had people released on VOP bonds before, but it is significantly more difficult.